The question says we should solve for s in this exponential equation. So we have 2 power of x power 2 power s squared equals 2 power s squared power 2s. So how do we figure out the value of x? Solution. So from here we have 2 raised to power x, okay, raised to power 2 raised to power s squared, okay, equals bracket open 2 raised to power s squared equals 2 raised to power x. So we have equal base, okay, so we can apply the exponent law. So what do? We multiply this with this exponent with this exponent. So here we have x times 2 raised to power s squared, okay. So for the right side, we look at the exponent as well, we multiply it, we have s squared times 2 raised to power x, okay. So from here we can look at this and set up an equation and equate this to 0. So how do we do that? We have x times 2 raised to power s squared. So let's bring this back here. We have minus s squared times 2 raised to power x equals 0. Okay, so from here we have x times 2 raised to power s squared, okay, minus s squared times 2 raised to power x equals to 0. From here we can factor out s, okay, so we say x into 1 times 2 raised to power s squared minus, here we have x times 2 raised to power x equals to 0, okay. So when we look at this, we now work with the value of x that renders this equation to be 0. So let us say when x is 1, okay, so what can render this equation to be 0? So let us work with 1. So when we work with 1, we substitute 1 in this equation. So here we have 1, okay, 1 times 2 for x, we have to be 1 squared minus 1, which is this, times for 2 raised to power x, we have it to be 2 raised to power 1. So here we have 1 into, here is 1 times, this is still 2, minus 1 times 2. So here we have here 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 2 is still 2. When we minus this, we have 0. We multiply it by 1, we have 0. So we say the value of x equals 1. Let's test it back in this equation and see whether it equates this side of the equation. So we have this equation to be 2 raised to power x, okay, raised to power 2 raised to power s squared. So for s to be 1, so we have 2 raised to power 1, which is x, raised to power 2 raised to power 1 squared. So here we have 2, okay, so here we have 2, for 1 squared is 1. So we have this to be 2 raised to power 2, okay, so we have this to be 4 for the left hand side of the equation. So when we work with the right side of the equation, let's work here. So from here we have 2 raised to power s squared, okay, raised to power 2 raised to power x. So when x is 1, so we have this to be, okay, we have this to be 2 raised to power 1 squared, okay, everything is power 2 raised to power 1, okay, so we have it to be 2 raised to power, for 1 square is 1, okay, times, for 2 raised to power 1 is 2, so we have this to be 2 raised to power 2, which equals 4. Question says we should solve for s in this equation, okay, so we have 2 raised to power 2 raised to power 2x equals 2 raised to power 16. So what is x? We should solve for x. Solution. So from here we have 2 raised to power 2 raised to power 2x equals 2 raised to power 16. So we already have the same base, so we can compare the exponents. We have 2 raised to power 2x equals 16, which is it. So we can write this as 2 raised to power 2x, okay. So for 16 we have it to be 2 raised to power 4. So here we have 2x equals 4. So we have 2x equals 4. So for 2x to be 4, x equals 4 over 2, which is 2. Okay, so when we check for x to be 2, in this equation. So we have 2 raised to the power 2 raised to the power 2x. So that gives us 2 raised to the power 2 raised to the power 2, which is the value of x. So here we have 2, which is this, 2, which is the first exponent. When we apply exponent law, 2 times 2 is 4, okay? So here we have 2, which is this, for 2 is power 4, we have it to be 16. So that means the value of x is 2. The question says, solve for x in this equation. We have 2 raised to the power x squared minus 3x equals 16, okay? So here we have 2, we have a 16, we can make it equal. We have 2 raised to the power x squared minus 3x equals 2 raised to the power 4, okay? So here we can equate this. We have x squared minus 3x equals 4. Okay, so we can set up a quadratic equation. So we have x squared minus 3x minus 4 equals to 0. So we can factorize this. So here we have x squared, okay, minus x, okay, plus x minus 4x minus 4 equals 0. So when we factorize this, we have x squared plus x minus 4x minus 4. Okay, so we can group this. Okay, so when we group this, we have x to be common. So we have x into x plus 1. Okay, we have here 4 to be common. So 4 into x plus 1. Okay, so here we have x minus 4. Okay, which is this. We have x plus 1 to be 0. Okay, so for x minus 4 to be 0, x equals 4. Okay, by the time we collect like times. And for x plus 1 to be 0, x equals minus 1. So when we check x to be 4 in this equation, okay, so we have x equals 4, which is this. So we have this to be 2 raised to the power x squared minus 3x. We have 16. So we have 2 for x to be 4. It's 4 squared minus 3 times 4. So we have 2 for 4 squared to be 16 minus 3 raised to the power times 4 is 12. So we have 2 raised to the power 4. For 2 raised to the power 4, we have to be 16. Thank you very much.